today I wanted to show you how easy it is to incorporate microgreens into a dessert. It is strawberry season, and I am just an addict for strawberries. And going with our strawberries is blackberry ginger, dark balsamic vinegar. If you've never had balsamic vinegar on strawberries, you don't know what you're missing. It is amazing. You'll never put sugar on strawberries again. Okay, so there's my strawberries. I made an olive oil, of course, pound cake. And then the microgreens. These are radishes. They come from Karen Corral. They're little tiny microgreen shoots. They have a really interesting flavor. And this little bit of savory with the sweetness of the strawberries and the balsamic vinegar in the cake is addicting. It's delicious. So try it today, and don't forget to support Karen Corral.